Let's talk about ATR, Average True Range. ATR measures historical price movement. It tells you how much range the stock has been moving on average. The higher the ATR, the bigger the average moves. The lower the ATR, the smaller the average moves. This particular ATR label shows you 3 time frames at once: daily, weekly, and monthly. This gives you a quick snapshot of the stock's recent behavior across different time frames. The study uses a 14-period exponential moving average. Keep an eye on these numbers. They tell you what kind of movement the stock has been capable of recently. That context matters when you're planning your trades. Here's the reality. Higher ATR means faster price action. That can work for you or against you in a hurry. Low ATR stocks move slower. They're more forgiving, but take patience. Match your trading style to the ATR. If you're scalping, you might want that speed. If you're holding longer, maybe you don't mind a slower moving symbol. I wrote the study to automatically adjust based on your chart's time frame. Thinkorswim cannot display data from a lower time frame on a higher time frame chart, so the study will show not applicable for the values affected. If you're viewing a daily chart or lower, all 3 values will display. If you're viewing a weekly chart, the daily will be not applicable. If you're viewing a monthly chart, both the daily and weekly values will show as not applicable. The study always shows what's available for the time frame selected. That covers this study. When you're ready to add it to your charts, my TOS Chart Styles video is where you want to go. That's where I walk through my complete chart style setups and share the Flex Grid so you can use these studies too. If you found this helpful, share with your friends, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.